Monica, which of all of this kitchen stuff is mine?
This bottle opener. And it's a magnet.
Just kidding.
Okay.
You can check the kitchen floor.
Okay, knock yourself out, Larry. Yummy. All right, we're hanging in the kitchen. Let's stay in the kitchen.
It's picture time.
Now you are gonna love these.
Check me out. I'm in my kitchen, naked. Picking up an orange.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word kitchen. It means a room or place equipped for cooking. Also means culinary department, cuisine. This restaurant has a fine Italian kitchen. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce kitchen, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to kitch. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how kitchen is used in real life.
Oh, I probably won't spill coffee grounds all over the kitchen.
I know that you don't have to wear your hat unless you're in the kitchen. Santa, the armadillo, and I will have a little talk in the kitchen.
I'm in my kitchen.
You saw the hat in the kitchen, and you knew she'd have to go in there hatless to get it.
We're hanging in the kitchen. Let's stay in the kitchen.
Monica, which of all of this kitchen stuff is mine?
Okay, we're gonna start in the kitchen. Plates get put into...
All the appliances are included. There's a lot of light, a new kitchen. Can you believe it? I finally get to run my own kitchen.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.